guys, today we're going to play monkey tag. This is kind of look like real tag, but it's different because we have legs. It looks like a phone. It looks like a phone version of real tag. It looks like real tag in but this is monkey tag, gaming monkey tag. So let's play this. Okay. I hope they are not watching the game. Oh my gosh, they're so funny. Oh, they're okay. No, don't. This dude's kind of no, don't chase me. Don't chase me. But I'm sorry, guys. This game has a lot of ads. I don't. I swear I just saw a lava monkey. I swear I just saw another lava monkey in the tree. It's kind of creepy. I hope baby doesn't do it. Oh no, guys, let's just wait for the ad. Stop, no.
With Sakai, you can turn your imagination into a game. Make a Fruit Ninja game, but Demon Slayer version, and Sakai will prepare for you.
We have to wait for the game.
Wow, these water slashes are insane.
And you can write it, build it, play it, and share.
Yo. No, I don't care about that. I just touched another monkey. But, oh my gosh. Now let's go mix in the mix game. No. I hope nobody's just chasing me. I'm going here. I'm going to first person. Okay. No, what the heck? Why are you guys tagging each other? Why are you guys tagging each other, bro? No, wait, what the heck? Who's that? Wait a second. Terrible bunny or like terrible mouse? No, these sticky trees. Terrible bunny. Why is this guy?
With Sakai, you can turn your imagination into a game. Make a Fruit Ninja game, but Demon Slayer version, and Sakai will prepare for you.
Wow, these waters.
I don't care. This is the best game. No, hurry up. Hey, this is guy. I'm blue. Guys, be careful. Everyone, a monkey. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, guys, we have to run. Guys, run. Do not get killed. Do not run. No, he's chasing me. No, please. No, stop chasing me. No, I'm not letting you chase me. I don't want to lose. Mama, red monkey. No, I'm stuck. Oh, you can chat. Who's the pro? Many cakes. No, I hate that. That's kind of stupid. Sorry. Put the bandage. Okay, let's go. Next game. Next. Oh no! There's a lava monkey. No, I don't want to get stuck by those trees. Wait. No, I can. Look, the gifts is our claim. No, there's a lava monkey. No, there's too much lava monkeys. There's too much lava monkeys in the game. No, everybody's turning into lava monkeys. Wait. What? Oh no! What? I'm sorry. What? You just...
Do you want to go back to your naughty school days? What if you could relive school?
Oh my gosh.
No rules at all. One day back as a student.
I don't like this game. I don't like this stinky game. I don't like it. Monkey student school. I don't like that. No! There's a lava monkey chasing me. Lava monkey chases. There's too much lava monkeys in the game. Maybe not. What do you mean maybe not? Oh, just add some stickers. Ah! I just add some lava stickers. I hope there's no bots here. No, no, no! No, stop! No, 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 no! Oh no! No, no, no! No, no, no! Ah! Oh my gosh, what the heck?
Since
No,
you always
Sakai,
fail
you
at
don't.
games, why not make your own?
Don't make
Mission failed.
Just use Sakai. Even a newbie can make their own game. Just a few clicks, totally free. Share it with all your friends in one tap.
Now let's go in the next game. This map again. I hate this map. No, just kidding. Hey, this is a birch tree. If Catman plays this game, then he might hate this game. He may hate this tree. It's a birch tree. No, I mean Catman actually nice to you. He actually loves birch. He just lies about you. People think that Catman hates birch, but Catman just make a joke for them. So Catman, you like birch, don't you? No, 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 no. Haha. No, I hate this dumb game. So hard to finish. It's so hard to finish. Gosh. Oh my gosh. Hello. Hello. Oh my gosh. Hello. I don't care about the game. Oh my gosh. No, no, no. You can't chase me. Haha. No, no. Get sticky. Jump, jump, jump. Wait. You use this for climbing. Oh, yes. You climb, climb. Climb on the light tower. Ah! Everybody run. Everybody run. No, there's a monkey. It's lava monkey in there. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. I gotta climb the tree. No. 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 Losing and winning is the part of the game. Why did it always have 1 second? It's so fast to have 1 second. How? I don't know. Guys. Oh my gosh. Why is this and why is everyone crazy? No, I don't like this game. These are bots. Oh, don't you can't get it. No. No, I'm a lava monkey. I'll climb up to get to become players. I'll touch you. I'll touch you. Touch you. Touch you, baba. No. Who's a lava monkey from? Oh yes, it's just a red monkey. Dude, what do you mean? You mean lava monkey or red monkey? Oh, one from the red monkeys. This is just like Forsaken, but different. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Nah, this is the last game.
Most people miss this, but you can actually use magic in Melon's Sandbox. Use Ghost Staff to turn livings into ghosts. They will move.
They're literally lagging right now. The ad's lagging. No, I don't like this. The ad's literally lagging, you dumb. The game's literally, the ad's literally lagging. This is my last chance. Well, nah, I quit. Nah, guys, make sure you subscribe. And make sure you like and subscribe. And I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you subscribe. Bye! I love this game so much.